Exploring the depths, the fascinating world of marine biology. Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the ocean? From glowing jellyfish to giant whales, marine biology helps us understand life in Earth's final frontier. In this video, we dive deep into the vast world of marine biology, what it is, why it matters, and how it's shaping our future. What is marine biology? Marine biology is the scientific study of animals, plants, and organisms that live in saltwater environments, oceans, seas, and even brackish coastal lagoons. From microscopic plankton to massive blue whales, marine biologists examine the behavior, genetics, ecology, and evolution of marine life. The ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface and contains nearly 80% of all life on Earth. There's a lot to explore. Marine ecosystems. The ocean isn't just a giant pool of water, it's a collection of diverse ecosystems. Each one has its own species and survival challenges. The polar seas, like the Arctic and Antarctic, host cold-loving species like penguins, seals, and krill. Deep-sea trenches are home to creatures that glow in the dark and survive under crushing pressure. Understanding how these ecosystems function helps us protect them from threats like pollution, overfishing, and climate change. The role of marine biologists. So what do marine biologists actually do? Some study dolphins and whales in the wild, observing their behavior and communication. Others dive into coral reefs to monitor bleaching caused by warming seas. Some even analyze DNA in labs to track endangered species. Their tools range from scuba